welcome. Yes, today I'm pouring a mega pint. And this is my mega pint. So this is the glass that I'm going to pour from and do a cup pour from my mega pint. So I'm doing it on this 60 by 40 canvas. So first of all, I'm just going to put a bit of a base coat on my edges before I pour. So I'm going to use some of this sort of hot flash pink that I've got here up, that was made quite a long time ago, probably more than 3 months. So I'm going to see how this does as a base coat. So it's made up in my normal pouring way, which is all the instructions are underneath and links to videos which show me mixing. So I'm going to get to pouring my mega pint. Just nice and slowly. This is the part that I really like, especially when I'm just can do it nice and slowly and not sort of rush it. I don't worry too much about my edges, not on this particular one, because a lot of the paint will probably end up going over the edges, so not too worried about it. So just giving it plenty of paint. Even if this pink doesn't show, it helps the other paint just slide over the top of it, so give me a nice effect. Well, that's the plan, man. So let's see how I go, Joe. No need to be coy, Roy. And all of that song lyrics that you think of, or I do when I'm pouring. Anyway, off to the silliness and let's pour my mega pint. Rightio. I'm going to start off with some really nice bright colours. So I think I'm using up some paints. That's why hopefully a mega pint might take them all. Doing this lovely turquoise. So I'll put that on the bottom. Remembering usually your first one in your cup is your last colour out. So you can think of that. I've got a bit of ultraviolet purple. So I'm going to pour that in. Ooh, that looked a bit weird then. Hope it hasn't gone lumpy. Lumpy pumpy. Alright. Some of these cups, when I use these paper cups, they stick in my holder, but that's okay. This one's another hot flash pink. This is actually fluoro pink. And then I will go, I think with my pink, I'm going to go the real nice cool red. So it's just layering it up with all these colours. So I might go back to my turquoise. I'm hoping it doesn't all go to mud. Let's, just hope for the best. A really nice bright yellow. Poppy socks, a cool yellow. Always goes down nicely. And then I'll put a nice the darker purple in there. It's like going into the aubergine kind of cherry red. Right, I've got a purple, so I might go back to the red and purple and yellow. Always look nice together, I find. I'll go back and use this last bit of my hot pink. I think I might put a squirt of white. I've got a little bit left in this, so I'll need to make up a new container of it. So there we go. I'm going to add in a darker colour just to give it a bit of pop, which is the phthalo blue. So give it some blue. I might go back to the yellow here. And the really nice deep purple. Yummy, yummy, yummy. Go back to the red. Oh, those colours, look at those colours. Beautiful. I think I've probably got enough here. Keep some. Use the last of that yellow in there. Might as well. It's here, so I think my mega pint is almost done. I'll just use up this last last bit of dark purple. This is a little silicone pouring stick that you just allow the paint to dry on and then peel it off, so they're recyclable. Keep that there, throw that there, throw that there. Might actually just finish off the top with a bit of the fluoro orange. Okie doke. Ooh, mega pint. There's my mega pint. And this is going to be a lot of fun because it might be a disaster or it might be beautiful. So we just go with the flow, Joe. Just give that a, I'm gonna pour it like a kind of a waterfall pour. I might do some circles, or I think I might just pour it so I don't muddy it up, try to allow it to muddy too much. Oh, look at those colours. Maybe I can wiggle it down here. Beautiful. Mega pint. And do some angel wings. And you wiggle it backwards and forwards. It kind of makes angel wings, I find. There's my mega pint. I think that'll do. Beautiful. It's left some lovely colours in there. Actually, if I just leave that to dry, that'll just peel out. The acrylic will peel out of my cup. So wonderful. This is gonna be mega bright. How about mega pint? Mega bright. Let's see how we go with giving it a little tilt around your canvas. Try and do it nice and slow. Oop. I don't want to lose too much of it until I've covered the canvas. So I think I'm going to get some really lovely effects in this, so hopefully. Come on, mega pint, let's do it. Always so relaxing. I love it. Love it, love it, love it. Just take it nice and slow. Let's go back down the other end. This is going a bit hazy there, but hopefully we can work something out with this. So look at that, that's gorgeous. Absolutely gorgeous. So relaxing too. So I'm trying to keep it in the frame for you. So it's just a real gentle tilting over the edges. Trying not to lose a lot of those gorgeous effects. Sort of gone cloudy here, which is pretty good, because it's just a different effect than the rest of it. So I'll just gently tilt so I get a little bit more on the bottom, or you could absolutely leave the bottom with that hot pink. It looks great. Oh, those nice lines are getting more defined, which looks great. Bit slow going because my paint was on the thick side, but keep trying, recenter your paint, but the slower you do it, the less likely you are, I think, of getting muddy areas. Might try and leave a little bit of that pink on the bottom. I believe that will be fine, she says as she rolls over the whole lot. Just because I'm in the zone. I might turn this around so you can see what I'm doing down here. Wow, that is gorgeous. That's gorgeous, love it. This would look so lovely when it's got a gloss coat on, or even a resin coat. It'll really make those colours pop. Now tilt it back. Oh my goodness, that is gorgeous. I'm just tilting it back to recenter it so you haven't got all the paint sitting in one spot. That's beautiful in itself. That's gorgeous. This has turned out hazy, but I actually don't mind that because I'm thinking that maybe when I put some heat on it, it might change that again. Let's see. Let us see. Wowzers trousers, isn't that different? It's a real like psychedelic, back to the 60s psychedelic days. It's quite lovely, all done with a Megapint. So I'm pretty happy with that. So what do you guys think? A yay or a nay? It's something different, isn't it? And I do try and throw something different in, or different styles, not keep doing a repeated same style every day. So I do try and do something different. Okie doke, my lovelies, please stay safe. If you're feeling sad, lonely, upset, ring a friend or a family member, if not a helpline. Do not suffer in silence. Rightio. Take care. Bye for now.